For 11 months, we had access to a system that automates promotions for 15 plus digital products, but we didn't know how to fully leverage it, so we wasted time. Hey guys, I'm Katie from Katie and Ellie, the Freedompreneurs. Ellie's still sleeping, so let's keep this quiet for now. Just kidding! Welcome back to our playlist, The Passive Income Playbook. If you've been following our series, you know we're all about breaking down strategies and tools to help you build a sustainable, passive, and recurring income. In our last episode, Ellie shared how to get customers for a video production company using a powerful all-in-one automation software called the Funnel Freedom. This software streamlines lead generation and gives you an unfair advantage in attracting clients. If you're a business owner, even in a completely different industry, and you're struggling to get customers, that video is a must-watch. The solution we shared works across various businesses and might just be the game changer you've been looking for. You can find the link in the description below or up here on the screen. But watch it after this video because today's topic is just as exciting. Affiliate programs are the backbone of affiliate marketing, but not all are created equal. Picking the right ones is key to building a sustainable income while aligning with your freedom lifestyle goals. Whether you're into travel, tech, or health, I'll show you how to find affiliate programs that match your niche and guide you step by step on joining them. There are two main types of affiliate programs. Direct affiliate programs. These are offered by individual companies such as Amazon Associates, which is a global e-commerce, Lazada and Shopee caters to Southeast Asia, Klook, Expedia and travel payouts for travel niche, MyProtein and iHerb for health niche. Second, affiliate networks. These platforms aggregate multiple affiliate programs, including CJ Affiliate or Commission Junction, Share a Sale, ClickBank, Digistore24, Involve Asia, which is ideal for Southeast Asia. Whether your passion is travel, tech, or wellness, there's an affiliate program for you. The key is aligning your choices with your interests and audience. Here's how to find the right affiliate programs. Through Google search, type your niche plus affiliate program. For example, fashion affiliate programs or fitness affiliate programs. Through affiliate networks, explore platforms like Share a Sale, ClickBank, or Digistore24, which host hundreds of programs. Through competitor research, see what other affiliate marketers are promoting. If a product keeps popping up, it's likely worth checking out. Let me walk you through joining affiliate programs. To keep things simple, I'll demonstrate how to generate affiliate links using Amazon as our main example. The process is quite similar for other programs like Lazada, Shopee, or Klook, so once you get the hang of this, you'll be able to do it for any program you join. First, find a program. Search company plus affiliate program like Amazon affiliate program or Klook affiliate program. Sign up. Fill out the application form and provide details about where you'll promote their products, your target audience, and the type of content you create. Pro tip, write thoughtfully. It shows you're serious about promoting their brand. Third, wait for approval. Some programs approve instantly. Others take time. Content that aligns with the program increases your approval chances. Fourth, fix your tax billing and payment details. Before you can start earning, most affiliate programs require you to provide tax information and set up payment methods. This ensures you receive your commissions smoothly. Be prepared to submit necessary tax forms, especially if you're working with international programs, and link your preferred payout method, such as a bank account or PayPal. Get your affiliate links. Once approved, generate your affiliate links and embed them in your content to start earning commissions. Generating affiliate links is easy. For example, Amazon's site Stripe lets you grab links directly. With Lazada and Shopee, you can use their link conversion tools to track sales. Klook gives you a single customizable link for all your promotions. Just add your promo code for extra value. Looking to maximize commissions? High-ticket programs, particularly digital products like courses and software, are the way to go. Why? They allow you to promote products you genuinely trust and use. They offer higher payouts per sale, making your efforts more rewarding. For example, some programs with master resale rights or MRR offer up to 100% profit. Investing in mentorship and the right tools has been a game changer for us. Early on, we tried to go it alone, skipping professional guidance to save money, but it cost us time, energy, and opportunities. For 11 months, we had access to a system that automates promotions for 15 plus digital products, but we didn't know how to fully leverage it, so we wasted time. It wasn't until we invested in a coaching program that things turned around. Mentorship fast-tracks your progress, helps you avoid costly mistakes, and provides expert guidance every step of the way. Inside the program, you'll also learn about tools like Funnel Freedom, which can automate your promotions and scale your affiliate business. The mentorship is the star of the show though. It's what sets you up for success. Check the description box for links to learn more. To recap, we discussed the two types of affiliate programs, how to find them, and the steps to join. Whether you're starting small or aiming for big ticket commissions, affiliate marketing is your gateway to freedom. In our next video, we'll show you how to generate leads for a window tinting business and scale your efforts using automated strategies. Stay tuned, you won't want to miss it. If you're ready to take your affiliate marketing journey to the next level, check out the POP program linked below. With 1 year of mentorship and exclusive bonuses, it's exactly what you need to master this high-income skill. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Let's build your freedom lifestyle together. 'Cause I got